Welcome to today's quick tech walkthrough. If you've ever received a message on Instagram that just doesn't feel right, or maybe it's downright offensive or spam, you'll want to know how to report it. Reporting a message is a simple process, but Instagram has made a few updates recently, so let's walk through the latest steps together. First, open up your Instagram app. If you're not already there, make sure you're logged into your account. Head over to your direct messages. Instagram calls these chats. You'll find them by tapping the paper airplane icon at the top right of your home screen. This is where all your private conversations live. Now, look for the message you want to report. Maybe it's something that made you uncomfortable, or it could be a message that doesn't belong in your inbox at all. Once you've found it, press and hold on the message. Don't just tap it quickly. Hold your finger down for a second or two. You'll notice a small menu pops up with a few options. Among those options, you'll see Report. Tap on it. Instagram then gives you a chance to explain why you're reporting the message. You might see different reasons listed, like it's spam, it's abusive or harmful, or it's inappropriate. Choose the reason that best matches what's going on with the message. If none fit perfectly, just pick the closest one. Instagram will still take your report seriously. After you've selected your reason, go ahead and submit your report. That's it. Instagram's team will review your report, and while you won't always get a personal update, you can trust that they're working to keep the platform safe and welcoming for everyone. Remember, reporting messages helps protect not just you, but others in the Instagram community. If you ever feel unsure about a message, it's always better to report it than to let it slide. Stay safe out there, and thanks for joining me for this quick guide on how to report a message on Instagram. Now you know exactly what to do if you ever need to take action.